Redbubble is a popular online marketplace that allows artists and designers to sell their work as a variety of products, including clothing, phone cases, and home decor. If you're interested in selling on Redbubble, the first step is to create an account and set up your shop. To make your first sales on Redbubble, it's important to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a strong demand. This could be a particular style of art, a specific type of product, or a particular theme or subject matter. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to create high-quality designs that are specific to that niche. This means doing research to understand what customers in your niche are looking for and creating designs that meet those needs. To promote your designs and increase your chances of making sales, it's a good idea to use social media and other online platforms to showcase your work and attract potential customers. You can also participate in online communities related to your niche and engage with other artists and designers. Finally, make sure to optimize your Redbubble shop and listings with keywords and clear, detailed descriptions to help customers find your products. By following these tips and continually refining and improving your designs and marketing efforts, you can increase your chances of making your first sales on Redbubble.